So guys, I just got this message from WhatsApp. They said I can no longer use WhatsApp business. My phone number can no longer use WhatsApp business. This is one of those messages you don't want to get if you're into internet marketing or you're a business person online because you really feel devastated. But trust me, I've got a solution for you guys. Online can fix it. Do you understand? Because getting this message now, it means you cannot send review. There's no button for you to send review to them so that they can help you review and see if they should pardon you. Do you understand? But then I'll show you guys how to go about fixing this so that you get to recover your account and you get to get back on WhatsApp. Are you ready, guys? Awesome. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here, I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results with your internet marketing activities. So if this is your first time, ensure to like this video, ensure to subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment in the comment section. So let's get to why we are here. So now, right here, I'm on my WhatsApp. As you can see right here, I'm on my WhatsApp. So what you want to do at this moment is for you to click on register new number. So click on register new number. So once I click on that, then it will take me to this place where I'll click on agree and continue. So over here, I'll click on agree and continue. So you can see right here, they say I should put in my phone number. So I don't want to do that at all. So what I'll do at this point is for me to just click on the three dots up there. Can you see that three dots up there? So just click on it. So you can see that you have link as companion device. Then you have help. So I'll click on help. So it's connecting. Let's wait for this. Alright. So you can see they said contact support. WhatsApp support requires your phone number to provide relevant help to your account. Do you understand? So what I'll be doing at this point is for me to put my country right here. I'll put my country, which is Nigeria. Then I'll put in my phone number right here. So let me put in my phone number 080-654. So I'll click on next. So right here, they say you describe your problem. So I just crafted a message, which I'll be pasting in the comment section or in the description, so that you can also rephrase that message and use it for yourself. You get, like, I carefully crafted that message to suit the purpose of this tutorial. So just copy the message, just edit any parts you feel is necessary and use it for yourself. So with this message and with this method I'm showing you guys, I'm very sure that within 24 hours or at most within 48 hours, you should have recovered your account. You should have recovered your restricted account on WhatsApp. So I'll just paste the message right here. So let me paste it. So you can see the message. It says, "Hi WhatsApp team. My name is Charles Chinonso. I am surprised to see that I can no longer use WhatsApp from my WhatsApp app. I never violated the WhatsApp policy. So I am surprised to see such message after sending broadcast message to my customers on WhatsApp. I know the WhatsApp policy and I have no intention to violate them. Kindly help me review the restriction and release my account. Thanks." I'll add thanks to it. So once you have this on your screen, you can also add a screenshot by screenshotting the error message you got. So let me just input that. So and I'll send it to the WhatsApp team. So once you send this, just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and I'm very sure that they'll unrestrict your account. So let me click on next. So right here, just click on send email to WhatsApp support. Can you see it? So I'll click on send email to WhatsApp support. Hope you guys are following me. Awesome. So just follow this step and you get your account fixed. So it says you should click a medium through which you want to send the message. So I'll choose Gmail. So once you choose Gmail, it will take you straight to your Gmail. And all you need to do is just click on send. Don't edit anything. Just click on send. You can see what we typed here and some other information they added from their own end. So just click on send. So I'll tap on send right here. And the message will send to WhatsApp team. It will send to WhatsApp team. So that's done, and that's done for now. So just come back to your WhatsApp after 24 hours or at most 48 hours, and you'll see that you can now use WhatsApp. So I'm sure you got value from this video. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment to appreciate me, and also ensure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.